Good morning. I'm Dr. Raju V. I'm going to discuss a topic role of state in economic development. First of all, why the state has been occupying in economic development is that it increases the productivity of labor. The government helps in organizing labor by recognizing labor unions. The government fixes working hours, payment of wages, and also establish machinery for the settlement of labor disputes, provides for social securities measures, and etc. This establishes relation between the employers and employees, which increases efficiency of labor, which in turn increases the production and reduces the cost, of course. Okay, and here the government is going to what we say eliminate the discrepancies and any controversial aspects between the employers and employees as well. And second important role or importance of state in economic development is that social and economic overheads. The main obstacle in the way of economic development of underdeveloped countries or UDCC is the lack of economic overheads, such as means of communications and transportations, ports, electricity, irrigation, and etc. In industrially advanced countries, these facilities are provided by private enterprises. But in underdeveloped countries, the private enterprises are not interested to invest because the return is not fruitful, and moreover, such huge investments are beyond the capacity of private sector. And third important role of state in economic development is education. Education plays an important role in the process of economic development. According to Myrdal, well-known economist, to start on a national development program while leaving the population largely illiterate seems to be fertile. The educational facilities provided in underdeveloped countries increase their geographic and occupational mobility, raising their productivity and facilitating innovations. The quality of labor is very important for economic growth. Unskilled workers, even working for long hours, result in low per capita income. It's through public education that the state can increase the effective labor supply and hence their productivity. There should be free and compulsory provision of primary education, and the schools of secondary education should be opened. Government is going to provide education among all the sections of the community, as government's aim is to attain maximum social advantage. Next is that public health and family planning. Role of the state also lies in providing public health and family planning. The development and maintenance of public health services are important functions to be performed by the government. It is necessary that the health of people should be maintained to increase the efficiency and productivity of labor. Public health measures generally include the improvement of environmental sanitation in both rural and urban areas, removal of stagnant and polluted water, better disposal of sewage, control of communicable diseases, provision for medical and health services, particularly in the field of maternity and child welfare, health and family planning, education, and the training of health and medical personnel. And all this require planned efforts on the part of public authorities. Okay, government is of course is going to attain to maintain public health and family planning also to attain an optimum level of population. And another important role of state in economic development is the changes in institutional framework. Economic development cannot take place in static institutional framework. The rigid institutional framework is a positive hindrance in the path of development of an UDCR under a developed country. Professor Paul, Streetin has rightly pointed out that the difference between economic growth in advanced countries and development in so-called developing countries is that in the former, attitudes and institutions are by and large adapted to a change, and the society has innovations and progress built into the system, while into the latter, attitudes and institutions and even policies are stubborn obstacles to development. Okay, here government, if the government minds, it's possible to change even institutional framework. Okay, like that it goes. And next is that stepping up rate of investment. The pros of development is boosted by accelerating the rate of investment, since the government has got the power to print and circulate currency. Even it could borrow funds, both internal and external, from internal and external sources. And whatever the investment is required, government is possible to bear it. Okay, so government will have to just handle the system of taxation, by which it could boost investment. It could control even inflation also. And government is responsible even for a high rate of investment, more employment opportunity, and to reduce a gap between haves and have nots. Okay, next is that agricultural development. Of course, the state of role has also been connected with agricultural development. Okay, here since agriculture has been lacking financial aid and other types of support, you know government will have to take measures to provide proper financial aid, irrigation facility, and other needs which have to be fulfilled by the government. Undoubtedly, agriculture is going to witness grand success, and development takes place. Okay, the two in a nation like India, when agriculture will be flourishing, it's nothing but India will be shining. Okay, like that it goes. And among the rural areas too, again, here government is very much important for the complete use of irrigation facilities. Okay, maintenance of field channels, in good conditions for the beneficiaries, repairs and maintenance of community irrigation works. Okay, all these to be done by the government only. Again, increase in the area under multiple cropping. Again, multiplication in the village of improved seed. Again, distribution to all cultivators, supply of fertilizers, programs for compost and green manure, adoption of improved agriculture practices like soil conservation, counterbounding, dry farming, drainages, land reclamation, plant protection, etc. Okay, all these things should be done by the government's supervision. Okay, again, programs for new minor irrigation works to be undertaken among villages. Okay, here community participation, and of course should be taken care by the government. Program for the introduction of improved agricultural implement, program for development of poultry, fish and dairy products, program for increasing production of vegetables and fruits, animal husbandry, supply of stud bulls, again setting up of artificial insemination centers. Okay, and castration of scrub bulls, and program for the development of the village fuel plantations and pastures. Okay, there is a list of what we say importances, okay, of the state in economic development. Thank you.